my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
Hello my lovelies. So I made it out of Sao Paulo, and after all the sambering in various forms, like actually being in the samba de Namo and doing all of that, and then afterwards actually going to like one of the blogs to enjoy the partying and stuff, I've made it to Rio. Got here last night, really late last night, and it seems like I've just brought the glorious British rain weather along for the ride with me for the entire 2 weeks that I've been here. And I literally set foot in Rio yesterday and it was chucking it down with rain, and it's been raining non-stop since last night, so everything is completely flooded and I'm seeing almost absolutely nothing. But I have just done a tour with a great tour guide, and she's just taken me through like some of the spots around here and gone through like the slave history, which was amazing. Definitely gonna link that, and it's just been interesting. But yeah, I mean, I've done some videos so you'll be able to see what it's all like, but not enjoying this weather. I had really hoped to be able to enjoy some beach, you know, in Sao Paulo, in Rio, in Salvador, but it looks like I'm gonna have to endure the rain. Kind of just want to put my Netflix on and chill. But at the same time I came all this way and I don't want to be doing that, so yeah, I'll take you guys along with me, show you everything that I can. Tomorrow I have a tour booked with someone else, seeing as I'm here by myself and I wanted to do a ton of stuff. I wanted to try and get a tour done of Christ the Redeemer, Pão de Açúcar, the Escadaria Celeiron, which is those colourful steps that everyone like Instagrams. But I'm gonna have to see, because at the moment I can't see a thing because of the amount of rain that is coming down. But we'll see. You guys will see if I manage to get there or not. But until then, talk to you guys later.
I've been left astray by the moonlight sweeping. Anonymous light from within your home. You better hold me down. You better hold me down. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.
So we finally had a look at like the Cross Redeemer. You guys finally got to see it, had some sun, got to have a look at Santa Teresa, some of the other places, and now we've stopped at the cathedral. I have never seen a cathedral that looks so industrial, like it's amazing. You guys will see the video. And yeah, another day, but at least it's clear. It's not rained all day, and I really hope that it doesn't rain until I set foot inside. It's been really nice and clear and sunny, and yeah, talk to you guys later.
You were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you.
Your friends are like, how's the weather? Stop asking questions, you're getting too much. Such a great view.
So we made it up to Patriasca. Almost made it an entire day without it raining, but then we got up here and it's raining, so it's been interesting. Like clearly you can see a hell of a lot. I'll show you another video shortly, but like yeah, you can see so much. And yeah, I'm gonna get out of the rain now because I don't want to be here anymore. Rio is amazing, you should definitely come, just be wary of the weather. You know, it's raining so much, my makeup is running, my mascara is running. That's how much it's raining. I really had high hopes for Rio, but all I have is like rainy memories. It's fine, if I don't laugh, I'm gonna cry. I brought my coat, didn't want to have to use my coat, brought my umbrella. You saw me using my umbrella yesterday. I started using it today. I lost hope, I gave up. There was just no point in me using my umbrella. Just kept turning upside down. So I'm embracing the rain. This is me embracing the rain. Loving it. You guys.
That's why I gave